Good afternoon, everybody. This is Louis from Russo Power Equipment in Elgin. We're here at College of DuPage today to do a demonstration on the Stihl iMow. A couple of key features with the iMow. The mower itself, the 632, has the potential to mow up to an acre with ease. Setting the perimeter wire is something fairly easy, especially if you have a trenching tool. If not, just using it by hand, all you need is a couple of rubber mallets and some of the plastic stakes that come with the kit. The mower is also very low noise, so you don't have to worry about bothering any of your neighbors or any other facilities that might be around. It's very efficient. It can mow while you're away, while you're home, and also it puts itself away in its own docking station. So those are some really cool features on the iMow. If you have any further questions on the unit, please make sure to stop on in at any of our Russo Power Equipment stores for any sales, parts, or service. Thank you. Have a good day.